Okay, this is for the auction for the Kubota KH-90. It's an 89 year of registration. This came on this land, friends acquired. Just been abandoned, so we got it running. Didn't take much more than a battery really. Tracks around fine. The only thing that I can't get to work, and it might be my inexperience with these, but the only thing I can't get to work is the boom swing. So it's kind of stuck at a 45 degree. I'll just show you quickly. Yep. Might be something simple. I believe this is your pedal. You can just hear the engine under load. Nothing's moving. Spares and repairs. I believe that's your breaker pedal. Tracks line. You got your accelerator. You got your lock down there. I'll try to do this one-handed. Front plate. All works fine. Even the heater's going away, blowing away. Now the engine. Steamed it off. I believe it's got a water leak. That thermostat housing. You can see from the pictures the little marks, dents on it. Obviously missing some windows, but it runs and moves. Ideal for either spares or a bit of a DIY project, someone to use, get it up and running properly and use it on a farm or something. See, it's got some fluid. Now this might be the reason the thing ain't working, the swinging out the boom, I don't know, but could be something simple for you. It's used as a grave digger, I was told. So yeah, good luck guys. Any questions, just give us a call or email me. Thanks.